Why is my HVAC system tripping the main breaker? It is usually caused by an electrical overload, a failing part, or a short circuit that makes the system draw too much power. When an HVAC system starts, it needs a strong burst of electricity, kind of like a runner jumping off the starting line. If something inside is worn out, dirty, or stuck, the system can pull more electricity than the breaker can safely handle, and then the breaker shuts it off to protect your home. One common reason is a dirty air filter, because it can block airflow and make the system work much harder than it should. Another reason is a bad capacitor, which helps the motor start and run, and when it weakens, the system may struggle and use extra power. A loose wire, damaged contactor, or failing motor can also cause a sudden electrical problem that trips the breaker. Sometimes the issue is not the HVAC unit itself, but the breaker panel, which may be old, weak, or the wrong size for the equipment. A less obvious fact is that a breaker can trip even when the unit is not truly overloaded, if the compressor is starting up against high pressure, which means the system is fighting itself before it even gets going. The safest first step is to turn the system off, check the filter, and call a qualified technician if the breaker trips again right away. A very common mistake is resetting the breaker over and over without finding the real cause, because that can make the damage worse. A simple tip is to leave it off if it trips more than once and have the system checked before trying again. Another thing people miss is that a dirty outdoor coil or blocked return vent can make the unit overheat and pull too much power, so keeping airflow clear really matters. Another tip is to make sure furniture, dust, and debris are not blocking vents or the outdoor unit. Some people also assume the breaker is bad when the real problem is a motor or compressor that is starting to fail, and that can be easy to miss without testing. A good tip is to listen for humming, clicking, or a hard start, because those are clues that point to a deeper electrical problem. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.